little children. A very good morning. I am your Vinu ma'am, and today we are going to visit a farmhouse. Ready? Come on. Well, what you all will drink when you get up in the morning? What? Milk, right? Yes. So which animal gives us milk? Which animal? Yes, you can hear the sound, right? Cow. Cow gives us milk. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. Either moo moo here, either moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Children, look at the cow here. Oh my god, a baby cow and a mama cow is there. Look here, all of you. Yes? Okay, let me give some food to the cow. Yes? I'm very scared to go near. Dear children, it's riddle time again. Ready? Yes. I'm fluffy and warm in my furry coat. I eat lots of grasses and I love to be with my friends, and also I give wool to you all, and I say ba ba. Who am I? Correct. Now we are going to see the sheep. Come on. Kids, look at the sheep family here. Papa sheep, Mama sheep, and two little naughty lamb here. I think it is their family time. Let's not disturb them. Bye-bye. Dear children, it is riddle time. I am going to tell you a riddle. You all have to find out what farm animal is that. Ready? Yes? Listen carefully, kids. Okay. I am pink in color and I like to play in dirty muddy water, and I like to play with my friends and like to cuddle with one another, and I live in sty and I say oink oink oink. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, correct. Pig. Dear children, look at the pigs here. They are all playing in the dirty water. Pig lives in style. Bye bye pigs. You enjoy playing in dirty mud. Bye bye. Now it is riddle time again. Dear children, I'll tell you a riddle and you all have to find out what farm animal is that. Ready? Okay. I am big and I can be in white, brown and black in color. And I love to eat corn, grass and wheat. I can put hot and I can take you all for a jolly ride. And I can run really fast. And I live in stable. You guessed it right? Yes, now we are going to see the horse. Come on children. Look at the horse here. Look at the horse, all of you. How beautiful it is. You all know one funny fact about horse. Horses can sleep lying down and standing up. And horses says neigh, neigh. And horse lives in stable. I could hear a meh sound inside my house. Let me go and find out what is inside my house. Oh my god! Look at the goat. It is standing on the wall to eat papaya. It has a goatee and two horns. It loves to eat grass. Goat, get down, get down, get down. Chook, chook, get down. Dear children, which animal or bird gives us egg? Tell me. Correct, hen. Now we are going to find the hen in the farm because it's hiding somewhere. Let's go and find out, okay? Where is the hen? Oh my god, here is the hen. Look, all of you. Yes, I got some food for the hen. Okay, let me give some food. Oh my god, a lot of chicks also here. Shall we all count the chicks? Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chicks are there. Okay, let me give some more food for the chicks. Okay. Okay, all of you come and eat. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Quack, 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 quack. Dear children, look at the duck here. Duck lives in pond and duck gives us eggs. I think the duck is searching for fishes inside the water. Okay, duck, you enjoy your meal. Bye-bye. Oh my god, it is 6 p.m. It's time to go home. Bye-bye, my dear children. Dear children, look who has come again to give me a send-off. It's Bunny the rabbit. Bunny, this time I got a lot of cabbage, carrots and the leafy veggies for you. You enjoy your meal. Bye-bye, Bunny.